Astrology cannot control fate and career is governed by fate. So it is not possible for astrologers to get it 100% right in matters of career, but they can suggest likely career paths according to your horoscope which may lead to good income, progress and happiness in life. Planet who has travelled second highest distance in the horoscope is called Amatya Karaka. It is also known as Ajivi Karaka, and that is what is used to decipher career for an individual. Ajivi is Sanskrit term for profession which earns a person his bread and butter, and Karaka is significator. Ajivi Karaka would define your karma by which you would be known, earn income and get respect from others. Let's look at the planets as Ajivi Karaka and their associated careers. Sun as Ajivi Karaka. When you have Sun as Ajivi Karaka, then leadership roles in big companies and firms, politics, management roles, diplomacy roles and similar leadership roles are suggested. Sun as Ajivi Karaka can also make for an excellent farmer, especially for production of food grains. Moon as Ajivi Karaka. Moon as Ajivi Karaka shows career as businessman, import-export of various products, purchasing, processing and selling of oil, water and other liquid substances. Moon can also make an excellent farmer, especially for production of fruits and vegetables. Also possible are role as counselor or motivational speaker. Mars as Ajivi Karaka. Mars can make a fine actor, army man or even a daredevil. Mars can make for an excellent surgeon, doctor or give career in hardware and chipset engineering. Mars can also work in disaster management roles like firefighting, search and rescue operations or project management where time is of essence. They can work in any environment where fast thinking and actions are needed. Mercury as Ajivi Karaka. Mercury makes an excellent analyst, a marketing executive, a chartered accountant or a mathematician. Mercury has good convincing power and can sell anything from clothing and accessories to electronics and goods. Mercury is good with roles in diplomacy, sales, communication, marketing department, good lawyers, teachers, human resources and any role where communication is of pivotal importance. Jupiter as Ajivi Karaka. Jupiter provides an excellent career in a university as a lecturer, as a researcher, a novelist, a astrologer, a priest, roles in government sector, diplomatic relationships, as psychiatrist, a counselor and similar other helping roles. Where there is knowledge and calmness required to get things done is where Jupiter excels the best. Venus as Ajivi Karaka. Venus makes an excellent fashion or jewelry designer, a painter, a musician, a model, an actress if it is female, a person who sells perfumes and fashion products, a seller of luxurious and exotic items. Venus also makes for a good novelist or erotic novels or writer in fashion magazines. Venus can also open business in cosmetic products, sweet factory and a clothing shop which sells latest brand products. Saturn as Ajivi Karaka. Saturn drives a person to do several businesses without setting in one. Although Saturn specializes in helping the poor and less privileged. Oil import-export is also possible. Engineering and technical knowledge are also Saturn's portfolio. Saturn also gives an excellent career in judiciary, engineering, software, hardware, networking, or as house contractors. Saturn would make an excellent politician as long as native focuses on the less privileged class of people. Rahu as Ajivikaraka. Rahu drives the business of exotic and forbidden items. Can make an excellent politician. Also allow role as a foreign language expert and in translation jobs. Rahu also drives forbidden and unlawful activities like blackmailing, selling arms and drugs, and other such illegal jobs. Rahu in some cases can also make an actor, though other planets should be strong for becoming actor with help of Rahu. Ketu as Ajivikaraka. Ketu is recluse and can provide good opportunities in spiritual and religious roles. Ketu as Ajivikaraka also produces good doctors and research scholars. Ketu could also drive person to do mercenary work. Career is easy to decipher if one knows his Ajivikaraka. Ajivikaraka planets along with Lord of the sign occupied by Ajivikaraka co-tenants and aspects would point you to a career or several careers where you would earn your means of income. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and also visit www.astroisa.com. For more information related to Vedic astrology, if you have any questions or queries, kindly ask them to our astrologers in link provided below or email them at admin@astroisa.com.